Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Today I am going to be cleaning out and organizing my junk drawers, and yes, I said junk drawers. I have 4 right here along this bar area. It's just the way that they designed this kitchen, so it is really nice to have all of that storage space, but over the years they've just become junk drawers and they are really bad. I keep my house really clean, but I'm not really good at organizing, and that was my New Year's resolution, was to get organized completely. So this is just another step towards that goal. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am going to let you guys know what time it is when I start, just because I think it's fun to kind of see how long it takes to get something like this done, because in hindsight, I personally at least will look back and say, well, you know, that only took an hour or that only took 2 hours. So next time when I go to do something, I can tell myself, just 1 hour out of your day, you know, something like that. So anyways, that's how it works for me. Today's video is actually going to be a collab with Amy from Team Darlie. I am just going to go ahead and let her introduce herself. That way you can get a good idea of what her channel has to offer. So I'm going to let her introduce herself, and then we're going to get started on my drawers.
Hey y'all, I'm Amy and my channel is Team Darlie, and I am a mom of 2 kids. I do lots of cleaning videos, organization, DIYs, home decor, hauls, things like that. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, I would love it if you would come check out my channel after you get done watching Jessica's video, and maybe stick around and subscribe if you enjoy what you see. Alright, have fun watching Jessica's video. Bye!
I'm just going to start by kind of showing you an overview of what everything looks like before. I can't even open this drawer all the way. I have like batteries and electronics and things in this one, and cards too apparently. And then this one has old chargers, a busted iPad, a bunch of old phone cases, just random stuff. This one has a lot of paperwork and things like that. It looks like some instruction manuals. Lord knows what I'm going to find in here. And then this one was Madeline's. So it has a lot of her like notebooks and coloring books. But as you can see, it kind of has a little mix of everything. So I'm going to guess probably 90% of this stuff is trash. But I'm happy to get rid of it. And I'm happy to make these drawers nice. So let's just get started. Okay, so I cleared off that countertop, and I'm just going to go through each drawer one at a time and take everything out and just throw away anything that is trash, and then pretty much just lay everything else out on the counter, and then I'm going to go through and organize it once I have everything completely out of the drawers. And then I did vacuum them out and wipe them down, which you will see in a minute. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I got a new trash can, and it's the one right there to the left of me. It's by Simple Human. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was expensive. I did use my 20% off coupon though, and it came with some trash bags, which was nice. I really like the trash can. A lot of you had asked me to let you know. I like it a lot. It's really pretty and it's functional, and I don't really have any complaints about it at all. So far, I tested today a regular trash bag in it, and I wasn't impressed, so I do think I'm going to have to buy their trash bags, but you can get them in their store online, or I believe you can even get them on Amazon, so that's probably what I'll do, and I might even just do like the auto ship type thing. But for all of you that were wondering if I like it, I do. A lot of you had recommended this trash can, and it does come in a few different colors. They even have a rose gold one. Palms that touch the sky. Give it your all. Drop your control. Give it your all. Drop your control. Set off the spark you forgot about. For what it's worth, go on, scream and shout. Give it your all. So the next drawer is mostly batteries and things like that, and I did do some research on the proper way to dispose of batteries because I was worried about it since I had so many of them, and I added a little quote here from Duracell's website. So now I'm just going in with my Dyson quickly, and I'm using the little brush attachment to clean up all the little debris in there, and then I'm going to wipe them out with my Caldrea spray. It's the Caldrea countertop spray in Tangelo Palm Frond, and it is amazing. I really, really love this stuff. I love the countertop spray. I love the fabric spray, and I just ordered the dish soap and it came in today, and I'm super excited to use it. But this so far is my favorite scent, and I highly recommend checking out their products. You can always use my link in the description and it will get you some free stuff. So if you want to check that out, that's where I would head over, is to Grove Collaborative. That's the only place I know of where you can get it, but they have really great prices and I really love their website. They've got a lot of great products, but I highly recommend the Caldrea line. So far I've been impressed with everything I've tried from them. I got these little bins from the Dollar Tree and they came in a pack of 2, and then the smaller ones came in a pack of 3, so it was 50 cents basically per little bin, so you can't beat that. They worked out perfectly, they fit in my drawers perfectly, and yep, that's pretty much where I head to get all of my organizing bins and things like that, is the Dollar Tree. Guys, before I open these and show you, I totally forgot to check the time before I got started. So I do know that it took about an hour because I know I got started right around 10 a.m. and it is 11:02 right now. So, and that includes, I took some stuff upstairs and put away where it belonged and things like that, and I cleaned off the counters, I wiped down that stuff. So it took me an hour. That's not bad. I have this trash bag, which isn't full of this stuff. It has about from here up of stuff. The rest was just trash. And I have a little bit more in here, just some boxes and things like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go through each drawer and kind of show you how I have it organized. All right, so I'm gonna start with this one right here, and this one is the battery and like charging cords, electronic type things. Some of the stuff I don't even know what it is, like this and this, but I don't wanna do anything with it until my husband can kind of approve of it. So I'm just gonna leave it in there. And then this is like our old thermostat, but he wanted to keep it for some reason, so I'm just gonna leave it in there. But this basically has like walkie-talkies, fuses, childproof things, just a bunch of random, I guess, household things. And then this is all charging cords. That's a charging bank. These are little things you can plug in to the outlet, and then it gives you 3 more. These are really nice. I like to have these. I'm actually excited because I found 2 of them in here. I put the old broken iPad here because I don't know yet if we want to get it fixed or not. And then in here I have my, when I was pregnant with Kinsley, don't mind my nails, they're horrendous. When I was pregnant with Kinsley, I had diabetes, so this is my, whatchamacallit, to take my blood sugar, all the stuff I have left, so I wanted to keep it because this stuff is expensive. I probably won't, and hopefully won't ever need it again, but sometimes it's just fun to check your blood sugar anyways. So that's what that is. This is all of our batteries. This is just a, like for fishing baits, one of these thingies you can get at Walmart or wherever, Academy Sports, Bass Pro, something like that. And I have batteries in there, some of our bigger batteries in here, and that's pretty much it for that drawer. So for this drawer, I don't have a whole lot in here. I just have tape. I found a bunch of paper clips and tacks, and lighters that I use to light candles and stuff like that. I really like these lighters you can get at the Dollar Tree. I have a white one too. They're just really simple to use. Well, I say that and then I can't even do it, but yeah, they're $1. I like these. I don't know what brand they are. They're Crocs. Yeah, whatever. I get it at the Dollar Tree. I like these lighters, but yeah, I have lighters, some fairy lights that I found, and this is just wax, and those are dye things for the wax because I was experimenting with some of that stuff a while back and I don't really know where to put it, so that's where it is. I have some off and some leather conditioner and then some bubbles left over from my baby shower, and that's a peppermint oil. I need to actually put that with my other oils. But yeah, these are bubbles that are left over from my baby shower, so I give that to the girls sometimes to play with outside. So that's what's in that drawer. All right, and this drawer has nothing. This is exciting. I have no idea what I'm gonna put in there. It has so much potential. Yeah, I have one entire empty drawer though. And this is the last one, and this one has all of our like school supplies and some office things, but these are mostly things that Madeline uses. I have some flashcards, some envelopes, just empty envelopes for like thank you cards and stuff if I need to mail a bill out or something like that. I had some command hooks. These are CD sleeves, just like really nice heavy duty cardboard CD sleeves. And then in here I have a stapler, some extra staples, some chalk, and a dry erase marker, I think. No, that's a chalk marker. And then Madeline takes these to school with her, so I have a couple of those. That's just tissues. And then this is a little note card thing she got at the book fair. And then in here is pencils and markers and things like that, some hand sanitizer, glue, some more markers, scissors, that sort of thing. And then here, these are some bigger envelopes, and then this is just like workbooks and folders and notebooks and things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that drawer. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this decluttering and organizing video. Be sure and check out Amy's video when you are done with this one. And if you are coming over from Amy's channel and this is one of my first videos you've seen, hi and welcome to my channel. I hope you will decide to stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel.